If you're interested in the top 5 racing drones, then this video is for you. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. The first product we are looking at is the Bwind 75 Minutes 4K GPS. This is a very high-quality drone for under $200 that works well for filming family vacations and scenic drives. One of the most impressive features about this drone is the wind resistance, which can be attributed to its 6-level wind resistance test report. With a maximum altitude of 2,000 meters above sea level, you can even fly on a 2,000 meters peak and still feel its calmness and shoot an ultra-clear and stable video and pictures even in the thin air or windy day at high altitude. Elise from Australia gave this product 5 stars and said, "The assembly of the drone took literally 5 minutes outside of charging the batteries, which they give you 3 full batteries." The next product on our list is the Syma X20 Mini. This quadcopter has been upgraded with multi-features, making it a great choice for beginners and kids. At just under $30, it's one of the most affordable products on our list. The script is short and sweet for this nano drone. It is headless mode, makes easier flight. Once the fuselage direction cannot be recognized, it can enter headless mode so as to continue the flight. It helps the beginner to get the hang of directional control within several minutes. One key takeoff/landing allows you to take off or land with just a touch of a button, making it perfect for people who don't want to spend extra time learning how to fly their toy's quadricopter device. Altitude hold allows auto-hovering even when you let go of controls and performs stunts smoothly, such as rolls and 360 flips at the press of a button. Next up, we have the Ruco U11 Pro. This is a great little drone for a newbie or those who are just interested in getting started with smaller drones. It's got some really nice features that more advanced flyers will appreciate as well. For starters, it has an auto hover feature, which means that it can hold its position right above where you take off. This is great for keeping your shots stable and making sure that it doesn't fly away during filming. It also comes with extra safety features such as headless mode, low battery return home function, and built-in gyroscopic sensors that act as an auto hover function to promote stability during flight. Another thing I love about this one is that you can charge both batteries at once on the included charging dock, which greatly increases battery life by about 50%. Finally, this 4K drone comes with easily foldable arms and propellers, so you can pack it away into its carrying case quickly after use for storage or travel convenience. Next up is the Skydio 2 Plus. If you are looking for a high-end drone that is both powerful and intelligent, then the Skydio 2 Plus is for you. For $2,500, it's hard to find another product that can compete with all of its features, including autonomous flying modes and an extended flight range of up to 6 kilometers. Coming in at just under 2 kilograms, it has a premium build quality with a carbon fiber frame and advanced keyframe support. The Skydio 2 Plus also packs in 6 cameras with full visual coverage to offer unbeatable obstacle avoidance. This allows you to set keyframes on your phone or PC and have the quadcopter autonomously fly smooth paths between them while avoiding any obstacles in its way. This level of obstacle avoidance is simply unparalleled when compared to any other product on this list or out in the market today. The Skydio offers 4 different smart modes, ranging from Ronin mode, which offers open-ended manual control where you are free to make minor adjustments while it flies as it pleases. Cinematic mode allows you to pick camera paths by tapping on screen. Rocket mode lets you get action shots at a distance. Finally, there's track mode, which can follow anyone or anything, all at 4K 60 FPS resolution. Last on our list is the Bwind F7 drone. This is a very solid quadcopter for beginners and casual flyers who are just looking to have some fun. It's a nice size, coming in at 10 inches high and 8 inches wide, about the size of a water bottle. The build quality is pretty good, and it's quite durable under normal use. It won't break with just a few bumps onto grass or concrete. It has an intuitive auto takeoff feature which can be activated by holding down on the battery power button until you hear the motors start to spin up. You can also hit an auto landing button if you wish to have it land right away after finishing filming. The headless mode is fairly standard these days in terms of inclusion. You activate it by holding for 3 seconds until you hear 2 beeps and must turn off again in the same manner when done flying. The F7 also comes with sport mode that allows for faster speeds while still retaining control, as well as allowing for flips and rolls on command using your transmitter buttons. One useful feature that has been added here is wind resistance mode, which automatically engages when certain conditions are met, such as encountering winds above 20 miles per hour, resulting in a more stable experience even under duress while out at sea or in windy conditions. This makes all-day filming much easier to handle. We're glad you watched our video about the top 5 racing drones and hope you found it helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.